Open. Opens an existing drawing file with more options. A dialog is displayed to select. A. To autosave your drawing. It will show you when last modified. B. To auto-save at default 2 minutes interval. Or, select minutes between saves. C. Do not autosave the drawing. Use this option when file is opened to see, copy, just print etc. Autosave command. Use autosave option always if you intend to work on the drawing. Autosave. Autosave command saves drawing at defined intervals. You may run the command after you open a drawing that started. With no thanks option, if work will be done on the drawing. Autosave command will overwrite the settings set in options dialog, in Open and Save tab.